There was a beautiful village named Tirumala. In that village lived a husband and wife named Vivek and Rohini. Vivek used to make noodles and sell them with his friend Saurabh. One day, both of them were making and selling noodles together.
आइए गरम गरम नूडल्स खाइए। हाँ, फ्रेश बन रहे हैं, जल्दी आइए।
Because they were calling out loudly, all the people passing by were attracted by the smell of the noodles. They came to the noodle stall, bought noodles and enjoyed eating them.
Vivek, you make very tasty noodles. I feel like coming here again and again to eat noodles.
Yes, brother, you are absolutely right. No one else in this village can make noodles like them.
In this way, while praising them, all the people of the village came to their stall and ate noodles. Their business was going very well. Both friends earned a lot and happily shared the money equally, then went home.
Our business has been going very well for the past few days. If it continues like this, we will be able to live happily.
After going home, Vivek keeps thinking about the money earned from selling noodles and is unable to sleep. His wife notices him lying awake, lost in thought. Oh, what happened? You came back early after selling the noodles and you looked very happy. But as soon as you came home, you went lost in thought.
Nothing, Rohini. I am very happy today. So ask me for whatever you want and I will definitely give it to you.
In this way, he tells his wife everything that happened that day and shows her the money they earned by selling noodles.
What should I ask him for now?
Rohini, what are you thinking without saying anything?
Nothing. Just give me 100 rupees every day from the money you earn by selling noodles.
That's okay then, Rohini. As you wish, I will give you 100 rupees every day.
And in this way, he gave Rohini 100 rupees every day from his earnings. Many years passed like this. One day, while making noodles, the two friends started talking to each other.
Vivek, we have been making and selling noodles in this village for years. Nothing has changed in our lives. And if we do the same work in the city, we can earn even more money. That's why I think we should open a shop in the city. Don't you agree?
Oh no, Saurabh, I don't want to leave the village and go to the city. We will continue making and selling noodles here, just like always.
If I go alone, I don't have any savings. But if I go with him, we can share the investment money and open a shop together. This is the only option I have. I must convince him somehow. Otherwise, we will spend our entire lives in this village.
Vivek, we have been living in this village for many years, right? Don't you think we should try going to the city once? If it doesn't work out, we can come back to this village and I will never insist on opening a noodle shop in the city again. Okay? Agreed?
Okay. If you are so determined, then we will go to the city.
Then fine, we will leave tomorrow itself.
And then, that day, after selling noodles, both of them return home.
When my friend said that we must go to the city, then we would also have to take the necessary money. And I would have to tell my wife about it too.
In this way, after going home, Vivek stays awake thinking about what his friend said.
Oh, what happened? What are you thinking about?
Rohini, tomorrow Saurabh and I are going to the city. We will start the noodle business there and run it.